Hello everyone, this is Gia. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of Korea's most famous street food, Soondae Bokkeum. The spicy stir-fried Soondae, smoky, spicy, chewy, and addictive. Traditional Korean Soondae is usually made like a blood sausage, but this lighter version is filled with glass noodles and vegetables instead. Slice the green onion. Slice the onion. Okay. Doesn't have to be too thin, like this. Next is cabbage. Okay, let's cut this in half. This is 깻잎 in Korean. It's a perilla leaf and it's a mint family. If you cannot find this vegetable, you can substitute to a little bit of cilantro or the Thai basil. Roll the leaf and slice it. So I'll be using this to add the flavor and also for the garnish. Okay, this is Soondae that comes in the package. It has lots of glass noodle inside and you wanna slice it like this thick. Add enough oil to the pan for about 2 tablespoons. Place sliced green onion and the onion to the pan and then heat the pan. Flavor the oil with these 2 vegetables. You want to stir fry them until they turn fragrant. Then place the cabbage to it. Again, stir fry the cabbage in a fragrant oil for about 2 minutes. I'm using medium heat. Now, make a small well in the middle. Add the soy sauce in it, along with brown sugar. So you want to caramelize it. Okay. Now, lower the heat to a low. Gochujang to it, along with the gochugaru, the chili flakes. You want to do this in a low heat, otherwise the gochujang can burn. Okay. Now, add minced garlic and the Soondae. Mix them well. Okay. Now I'm adding water to the pan, higher the heat, and bring it to a boil. So you can check the doneness by looking at the onion, soft enough, the cabbage, also tender, and the Soondae. See, it's moist, a little soft, and most of all, the sauce has thickened, which is perfect now. Once it gets to this condition, you want to lower the heat to a very low and add a big splash of sesame oil to it. Turn off the heat and add lots of 깻잎, perilla leaf on top. And just before serving, add plenty of toasted sesame seeds on top. This is a kind of food that is like a comfort food for Koreans. We gather, sit together, have this in the middle of us with some beer or soju. Give it a try, it's delicious. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.